When it comes to motorcycle gear, gloves are an essential component that can make or break your riding experience, especially in cold weather. Motorcycle gloves not only provide the necessary protection against the elements, but also enhance your comfort and safety on the road. Among the top contenders in the market are specialized gloves designed for winter riding, such as rechargeable heated gloves, battery-powered gloves, and infrared gloves. Each of these gloves offers unique features tailored to meet the demands of cold weather riding, from customizable warmth to continuous heat and deep penetrating infrared technology. Additionally, traditional options like the Scoyco Gloves DX32 and Benkia leather gloves remain popular for their blend of durability, protection, and style. These gloves are crafted from high-quality materials and designed with modern conveniences like waterproofing and touchscreen compatibility. Whether you're navigating icy winds or braving heavy rain, these gloves ensure that your hands stay warm, protected, and ready for any challenge on the road. 1. Rechargeable heated gloves. Black rechargeable heated gloves with a button on the wrist. Rechargeable heated gloves are increasingly popular among motorcycle riders due to their convenience and versatility. They're especially reliable in wintry conditions as the built-in heating element can be customized to suit the level of warmth needed. The heating element is typically found across the fingers and the back of the hand, and it's made of either alloy or carbon fiber wires. The rechargeable battery pack should be lightweight and easy to attach to the gloves, causing no hindrance to the rider, and these batteries can last between 2 to 8 hours. Traditional motorcycle gloves are only able to protect the hands from wind and rain, whereas the addition of a battery-operated heating element allows riders to enjoy winter rides. In extreme winter conditions, regular gloves won't be able to provide adequate protection and can create a safety hazard. It's essential that these heated gloves are waterproof, and materials such as synthetic fabrics or leather are ideal for the outer shell of the gloves, whereas the interior should be insulated to retain the heat. Many modern heated motorcycle gloves incorporate touchscreen capabilities into them as well. What makes these gloves so popular is that they are quick to heat up in cold conditions, allowing riders to enjoy the great outdoors in all weather conditions at the touch of a button without worrying how the cold will affect their hands. 2. Battery-powered gloves. Pair of gray and black battery-powered heated motorcycle gloves. Battery-powered heated motorcycle gloves use a direct wired power connection to generate the heat elements that can be connected to the electrical system of the motorcycle. This ensures continued warmth for the duration of the ride and eliminates the need to recharge a battery. Since these gloves will be connected to the motorcycle, the cord length needs to be long enough to reach the power source on the motorcycle comfortably while providing flexibility of movement when the motorcycle is in motion. A short cable is a big safety concern and will put buyers off purchasing them. As these gloves are designed for use in the winter, consumers will be looking for a fast warm-up time, a flexible design that allows for natural hand movements, waterproofing materials, touchscreen capabilities, and a secure fit that's often in the form of a strap or cuff. These gloves offer convenience where traditional motorcycle gloves don't. This hassle-free solution to staying warm allows riders to enjoy themselves in extremely cold conditions without the need of an external power source. They can also be used for other activities outside of riding. The downside of these gloves is that they need to be connected to a power source to work, so they can't be used for other activities such as winter hiking or skiing. More portable styles of gloves are more versatile in that respect. 3. Infrared gloves. Pair of black and red infrared heated motorcycle gloves. Infrared motorcycle gloves are a popular choice among riders due to the deep penetrating warmth they provide. The infrared technology helps to improve blood circulation as well as gives a feeling of natural warmth that doesn't come with battery-powered motorcycle gloves. These gloves use advanced technology that produces infrared radiation to generate the heat needed. The heat elements are made of carbon fiber or other conductive materials like infrared yarn to efficiently keep the hands warm. Riders will be able to adjust the level of heat emitted from the gloves to suit their preferences. These gloves can last anywhere between 12 to 36 months, depending on how frequently they are used. To get the most out of them, it's recommended that consumers turn them off using the panel on the outside of the gloves when they're not in use. Compared to traditional motorcycle gloves, these heated gloves provide ultimate warmth as well as flexibility, allowing the rider to use them at any time of the year in different weather conditions. Regular gloves may have some insulation built into them, but they should be avoided during the winter. 4. Scoyco Gloves DX32. The Scoyco Gloves DX32 are an exceptional choice for motorcyclists who face the challenges of winter riding. Designed with the rider's comfort and safety in mind, these gloves combine advanced materials and features to ensure that your hands stay warm, protected, and functional even in harsh weather conditions. Warmth and comfort. The DX32 gloves are made from a blend of polyester and nylon, materials known for their durability and insulating properties. These fabrics create an effective barrier against cold winds, keeping your hands warm and cozy. The interior lining is designed to retain heat, ensuring that your fingers remain flexible and comfortable, even during extended rides in freezing temperatures. Protection. Safety is a top priority for any rider, and the Scoyco DX32 doesn't disappoint. The gloves are equipped with carbon fiber knuckle protectors, which are not only lightweight but incredibly strong. These protectors are strategically placed to shield your knuckles from impacts, whether from debris on the road or during an accident. This feature gives you peace of mind, knowing that your hands are well protected without compromising on flexibility or dexterity. Waterproofing. Winter often brings wet conditions, and riding in the rain can be particularly challenging. The DX32 gloves are designed with a waterproof membrane that prevents water from seeping in, keeping your hands dry and comfortable even in heavy rain. This waterproofing feature also ensures that the gloves maintain their insulation properties, so your hands stay warm even when it's wet outside. Touchscreen compatibility. In today's digital age, the ability to use touchscreen devices without removing your gloves is a significant advantage. The Scoyco DX32 gloves are touchscreen compatible, allowing you to operate your smartphone, GPS, or other devices effortlessly. This feature adds convenience to your ride, letting you stay connected and navigate without the hassle of taking off your gloves in the cold. Design and aesthetics. Beyond their functional benefits, the Scoyco DX32 gloves also stand out with their sleek and modern design. They feature a unique and cool aesthetic that complements the rider's gear, adding a touch of style to your winter riding outfit. The attention to detail in both form and function makes these gloves a great addition to any rider's wardrobe. 5. Benkia Leather Gloves. The Benkia leather motorcycle gloves are a popular choice for riders seeking both style and functionality, particularly in cold weather. These gloves are designed to offer superior protection against the elements while ensuring comfort and safety on the road. Material and durability. Crafted from high-quality leather, the Benkia gloves are not only stylish but also highly durable. Leather is renowned for its natural ability to block cold winds, keeping your hands warm during winter rides. Its durability ensures that these gloves will stand the test of time, providing long-lasting protection and performance. Protection. Safety is a key feature of the Benkia leather gloves. They are equipped with shell protectors over the knuckles, which safeguard your hands from sudden impacts. Whether you're dealing with debris on the road or a potential accident, these protectors help absorb and deflect force, reducing the risk of injury. Comfort and flexibility. Despite their robust protective features, the Benkia gloves do not compromise on comfort. The leather material offers a good grip, allowing you to maintain control of your motorcycle with ease. Additionally, the gloves are designed with flexibility in mind, enabling you to move your fingers freely. This combination of grip and flexibility ensures that you can ride comfortably, even on longer journeys. Design and aesthetics. The Benkia leather gloves are also known for their sleek and stylish design. They offer a classic look that complements any rider's gear, making them fashionable as well as a practical choice for winter riding. This brings to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gear reviews, tips, and motorcycle adventures. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.